Today I will talk about of nature phenomena. There are many nature phenomena, for example, the avalanche, dust storm, earthquake, flood, hurricane, tornado, tsunami, and volcanic eruption. Especially, I think that the worst is the earthquake and tsunami because it's the most common, and sometimes I imagine that I might be swimming in the beach and the tsunami is approaching. Could be terrible. Also, I think that in a sure phenomena, that possibility could destroy the world is a tsunami or a hurricane. How can we survive it? We could survive this either by entering a giant arc like the movie 2012. If you watch this kind of thing, really you know that I mean. Or maybe run to the mountains. Really, to be optimist, but only some people will survive. Thank you so much.